Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a delicious recipe which is paya ka salan, or you can say kind of liquidy gravy. So I have taken here onions which are chopped, 4 to 5 medium size of onions, thinly sliced, 1 kg of paya, which are cleaned properly, washed, lemon 1, cinnamon sticks, which are into small pieces, bay leaves 3 to 4, green chilies 3, finely chopped ginger for garnishing, both of them, cloves 7 to 8, cumin seeds, around 1.5 tablespoon, and black pepper 10 to 11, and 4 cardamoms I have taken. So these are the spices which we are required. Coriander leaves and spices powder, turmeric powder around half tablespoon, and 2 tablespoon red chili powder, depends upon how much it is spicy ones, zira powder, and that is cumin powder, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, and 1 tablespoon of salt. This is squeezed lemon juice, yogurt 3 to 4 tablespoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, and green chili paste 1 tablespoon, which was freezed. So let's start preparing it. So first we are going to add cumin seeds, then soon after that we'll add black pepper, cloves, cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, cardamom, and we'll let it get cook. Mix it well, and it's time for adding onions. Once it is moistureless and the color changes into this, here we are adding what it's ginger garlic paste and green chili paste. If you prefer more adding green chilies, then you can do that and decrease the powder, red chili powder. Now it's time for adding all kinds of powders. I prefer cooking in pressure cooker so that at last we'll boil it and have to put whistles. So yeah, that's why I have started in that. Slowly mix well. When it is cooked for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame, we'll add the bones or payas. Okay, soon after adding, we are not going to close the lid. Okay, we'll add some water so that it don't get burned, and mix it well. Now at this moment you can even garnish it, and then you can cover later by adding water. I have added some green chilies and ginger, which was finely chopped, and yogurt, which was mixed well. It's the same way how you cook the meat. Now lemon juice. Now we'll let it cook for 5 minutes. Now it's time for adding water. 3.5 to 4 glasses of water. Now you can see that it is almost done. I had closed the lid and 5 to 6 whistles were running. Then it was ready to serve. So here I am taking out in a serving plate. So mostly it is not a gravy kind of dish. It is a little bit soupy type of dish that is served. So the smell and it looks very delicious. It's very good for health, and I'm sure you guys will make it the way I have done. And mostly it would be similar, but I thought to share on my ways how I make. Sprinkling some of coriander leaves to garnish it. Cut finely chopped ginger slices and spread it around to look it beautiful. So I hope you like this recipe, and thank you for watching. See you soon next time.